Imagine the peace of mind you and your passengers will have knowing that a strong protective steel cage surrounds you. Volvo's unibody design integrates multiple grades of steel into a single protective shell, and that shell is reinforced with one of the strongest types of steel available. The passenger safety cage, available in all Volvo models, helps protect the people inside in all types of accidents. In a collision, the front and rear crumple zones help to dissipate the energy of the crash to reduce the impact on those inside the vehicle, while in a side impact, Volvo's Side Impact Protection System, SIPS, helps distribute the crash force across a large portion of the vehicle's body to further reduce the occupant's risk of injury. In the event of a rollover, the unique roof design and construction helps protect the occupants, even with the large panoramic moonroof. And if there is a collision or rollover after the accident, the Volvo unlocks automatically to make it possible to open the doors from the outside. This design also makes the chassis stiffer. That contributes to dynamic driving, which can help you to avoid accidents altogether.